How to use Oxford Journals. Oxford Journals is a platform giving access to 500 peer-reviewed journals published by Oxford University Press. Oxford Journals can be accessed by going to the eResources page and clicking on the link on the O tab. Type your search term in the search box and click on the magnifying glass. Not all the content is available in the library's subscription, so tick the box under Availability to see only the content you have access to. You can modify your search by specifying where to find the search term, by narrowing by subject, by choosing the type of article, by choosing a specific journal, or by publication date. To read an article, click on the title. Here you can see information on the journal the article is from, see the permanent link to the article, go to a PDF version which allows you to download or print the article, get the citation of the article for your bibliography, share the article to email or social media. Split View shows the article on a screen where you can see contents, references, notes, and any other related information. Click on Standard View to return to the main article page. You can browse through an A to Z list of journals available. Alternatively, you can browse by subject, drilling down as far as you need to. You get a screen similar to the search results screen. To see just the relevant journal titles, click on Journal under Format in the filters. Clicking on the journal title takes you into the journal, where you can see the latest articles and access all the issues. There are useful guides on using the content available from Oxford Academic. Click on the I button at the top of the screen to access them.